it's Rebekah Eller and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing the cloud look. So you've probably seen it around everywhere where there's loads of clouds on the face. I was originally inspired by Nikki Tutorials. Someone sent me a picture and actually requested me to do this look because it seemed different and interesting, which it is so cute. Nikki Tutorials one is pink, like pink with clouds, but I'm thinking more baby blue to kind of literally go with the real sky. Maybe like a bit of yellow or something. I'm really not sure. I'm just kind of going to go with the flow. I'm just thinking like angel vibes. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, that's what I'm going to be filming. I'm going to film the eye look first. I'm going to do one eye on camera, the other off camera, and then I'll do the clouds. So yeah, I'm thinking of doing more looks on YouTube now. Maybe like, it can be like a quarantine series. Not to make quarantine like, you know, a trend. I mean, it is already a trend, but you know what I mean. So what I'm going to be starting with is the bPerfect Carnival palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Soft Spot, which is a baby blue, and I'm going to be focusing that colour mainly over my whole face, like even with the clouds. All my brushes that I'm using today are Dull Beauty, so this is just one of the bigger brushes in that set I'm using right now. So I'm going to start on the outside corner and just build that up. This is actually quite a bright baby blue, so I'm probably just gonna, this is probably gonna be the only colour I'm gonna use. If you do this look, for any particular reason, you can do any eye look you want with it. It doesn't have to be a cut crease, because I'm doing like a cut crease today with clouds. It could literally be a smoky look. I'm just softening those edges high up towards the brow. I'm just going to keep building that up through the crease as well till I'm happy with how bright that blue is. And I'm also going to drag this out towards my temple. So as you can see, I've smoked that right out, pretty much into my temple. I will build that more up later once the skin's on, because you can't do the clouds until the skin's actually on. See, I was thinking a bit of blue and purple vibes, but now I'm thinking to bring some turquoise into this. So I'm going to pick up a little bit of Y though, which is a turquoise. Same palette, and I'm going to put that right at the top, because I feel like they'll mix well together. So I've just blended that turquoise colour into it, which looks really nice because it doesn't actually look too turquoise, it just looks like a more lighter blue. So now I'm going to move on to the cut crease. So I've got two brushes here that I use for cut creases. This one's bigger, this one's smaller. I'm going to use the smaller one. I don't think I'm actually going to use the bigger one at all for this. I'm going to use the smaller one because I'm going to be making a cloud, so it needs to be quite detailed. I'm going to use the Plouise Base. So I'm just going to pat and drag down, kind of make a rough shape of the cloud. Like, it could all go tits up right now, you never know. But how big do I want the cloud? It's going to be so tricky getting both sides like the same. Like a little one. Like that? Yeah, we'll do that, we'll do that. We'll just go with that, go with the flow. Just making sure that it's just extra crisp now, so that you can tell that is a cloud. I'm happy with that. So the next step is to always blend your cut crease. So I need to blend this outside corner. So I'm just blending that out with a clean brush. And then I'm going to pat white on top. So I'm just going to make this base a little bit smoother. So I'm going in with Pillow Talk, which is not, it doesn't look like it's pure white. It looks like it's an off-white, like an ivory colour. So I'm going to pat that on top. Be so careful not to go over the line. So then I'm going to need a smaller brush, which there is one from the Plouise, from the Dull Beauty brushes. Just give that a quick clean. The cleaner I use is ISO Clean. Literally live by that. So I'm going to pick up some more of that brush and be really careful. So now I'm going to blend this outside edge with the, I'm going to do the turquoise actually, going slightly into that cut crease. This is honestly just like the main bit of the eye, so the eye's pretty much done. So that really is pretty much it. So I'm going to build up a darker colour on the outside corner. So I'm going to go in with, oh god, Mood, I think, which is just, well, I say just a bit darker, it is a dark blue, it's navy. And that's going to go on the outside corner here. Then I'm going in with the first brush. I'm going to build up soft spot again, just to help blend that out. And then I'm just going to repeat that. Oh, that looks much better with a bit of darkness on it. And then I'm also going to blend that dark brown, not dark brown, when have I used brown yet? Oh my god. I'm going to use that dark blue, Mood, and I'm going to put that against my lash line to act as a liner. So these are the colours I'm kind of sticking by. I might put a bit of purple in it at some point, or I might go in with some other colours. I really won't know until I've done it. That is so damn cute. So I'm going to do the other eye off camera and my skin, and then I'll be back to do the underneath part of my eye and the clouds, because the face does need to be on first, do the clouds obviously. So I'm back in literally. So the eyes are on now. I somehow managed to get them both even, no idea how. I'm going to go on to the underneath part of the eye first. I'm going to go with Mood, because that's the darkest colour. I'm going to put that right against the lash line. And then under that, I'm just going to smoke it out with the soft spot. Might pick up a little bit of Y though, which is the turquoise, and add that underneath. Yeah. Same brush now. I'm going to go into Y though, and I'm going to start mapping out where the clouds are going to be. They're going to be all over my cheeks. So I'm going to kind of start from my temple and kind of go down over my cheekbone, which would normally have highlight, but not today. And it kind of goes all over your cheek, to be honest. Can you imagine I just go overboard and I just ruined the whole look? That would be an absolute disaster. It looks like it also goes over the nose, like there's clouds going over the nose. Kind of just winging it. So I've done no contour or anything like that, it's literally just, you know, powder and foundation concealer. So I'm kind of just going over my nose. I just had a look at the picture and it basically stops where your nostrils are. So I'm kind of just blending that all out so it softens. I just don't really want it to look like there's just like a blob on my face. So that's why I've gone with the lightest colour first. And then everywhere I'm thinking of putting clouds, I'm going to go in with a slightly darker colour. So I'm going to go in with Soft Spot. I'm just making sure I've got enough blue on my face before I start cutting the crease with the clouds. And I have seen people are going up towards your forehead, but I'm gonna just start with this, and if I feel like I need more, I can do more. I'll just do one side for you so it doesn't get too long. So I'm gonna start with, I'm guessing start further back and come forward. So if I start further back, like up here, and just map clouds out. Like that. And then it looks like you blend the cloud out and then do another cloud on top of it. So I'll blend this downwards, the cut crease, like that, and then I'll put some white on there for the cloud. Oh, I need a smaller brush for that because it's like fine detail now. So white for the cloud, and then it looks like you blend slightly over it, going into it a bit with the blue, just giving it a little blend. And then it looks like you just kind of go over that, just next to it or something like that. Where's my cut crease brush? Here. I feel like this can work. So if I did one here, like that, yeah, this is how we do it. Blend it out, just the bottom part. Pat your white on. And then blend the edges at the bottom. Oh, you get the hang of this quite quickly. That's good. Oh, damn! I feel like I need a bigger cloud though. This bottom bit I haven't picked up, it's just left over from when I was blending earlier. Oh, that looks wicked. I like that, I'm happy with that. Now that I've done this one, I think I will do like another one at some point with like loads of colours now that I've done it. It's quite addictive, this look. Right, I feel like you get the gist of this now, so I'm going to do the rest off camera and then continue with my eyes after that. So here we are, here's the rest of the face done. I'm quite happy with it. I feel like there could be more, but then I'll get a bit carried away. So I'm just going to finish off the eyes now. So I'm going to put some black liner in my waterline. So I'm going to use Maybelline gel liner on my waterline. This is so hard to do when a camera, not a camera, when a mirror isn't standing in front of you, because I find it so hard to be like, get in there. I need to physically pull my eye down. There we go, and then I'm going to put some lashes on. I've got some Tatti Lashes ones with me, so I'm probably going to put one of these on. I quite like the look of these ones. These are their faux lashes. This one is called Badass. Badass. So yeah, we'll give these ones a go, see what they look like. I have used their other faux lashes and they are really good. I am all for that. Oh my god, it's stuck to my finger, get off. Get the hell off. Oh yeah, those are really nice lashes, as long as they don't stick to me, then yeah. Next one. I've done so many, if you follow me on Instagram, I've done so many how-tos, which are like tutorials that are step by step, just like a YouTube video, but they're on my highlights. But I'm on like how-to number 16 right now, so I'm just sitting here thinking, how many tutorials can I actually do on Instagram? I get to like how-to 57 or something, so I thought, you know what, I better do some YouTube videos instead. Get back onto doing videos on here, so I will do some wearable ones soon as well. There on, I'm going to wait for that to dry and then I'm going to put some mascara on. This camera looks so dark, I don't know if it is, but it looks it. So I'm going to do my lips. This is Rumour Cappuccino. And then for lipstick, I'm feeling Peach Stock for this look. From MAC. This used to be like my ultimate duo, these two. That I would wear all the time. And then what I do is I blend the lip liner in. And then what I do is take a clean brush So here we are, I've just clipped my hair back just to look super cute and girly, and I have decided to do the sparkle on the clouds. So this is just peaches and cream pigment in Hollywood. Yeah, Hollywood. I thought I had that wrong then. And I'm literally just patting it on the white bits for some extra sparkle, and I also put it in the inside corner of my eyes. Just thought, yeah, that will look cute. Cuter. So if you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial, which will hopefully be, well, I might just do another one this week, or it'll be next week, I don't know. I'm hoping to just keep doing them now. Now the setup's going to be here, which by the way is in bed. Just don't mind that, it's where I'm quarantined. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!